Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to convert Bitcoin to cash on Coinbase in 3 simple steps. Let's go. Step 1. Sell Bitcoin. Open the Coinbase app or website and log in. Tap on Trade on the app or Buy/Sell on the website. Select Sell and choose Bitcoin or BTC. Enter the amount of Bitcoin to sell. Choose your USD wallet as the destination and review and confirm the sale. Step 2. Withdraw cash. Go to the portfolio on app or click on your profile on the website and find your USD wallet and click withdraw or cash out. Enter the amount to withdraw to your bank account. Select your linked bank account. Review and confirm the withdrawal. Step 3. Wait for processing. Funds typically arrive in your bank account within 1 to 5 business days. By following these simplified steps, you can convert your Bitcoin to cash and withdraw it to your bank account using Coinbase.